First, open CapCut and create a new project. Now import the main image or video that you want to use. Next, we need a moving cloud video. You can download any cloud movement video from the internet, just search for a clip that matches the sky in your picture. After you download it, add your main image to the timeline like this. Then resize the image so it fills the entire screen. I'll also extend the duration to make the final video around 10 seconds. Now let's add the cloud movement video on top of the image in the timeline. I'll also shorten the cloud video so it's the same length, about 10 seconds. Next, select the cloud video layer. On the right side, go to Mask, then choose Add Mask. From the mask types, select Film Strip. Now adjust the mask by moving and resizing it so the moving clouds blend in with the original sky in your image. You can also increase the feather to make the edges softer, so it looks more natural. Just move the mask in the cloud video until everything looks well blended. And that's it. As you can see, the clouds are now moving and the picture looks like a real video.